Creating and updating products in Feed can be done in several ways. Manually in Feed, through integrations, and via Excel imports. In this video, we will go through the Excel import process. You can find the Excel import under the Integrations menu on the left. Navigate to Excel import and then Product. You can either drag an Excel file onto the upload icon or click it to select the desired file. Once you've uploaded the file, you need to map the various columns in the file to the corresponding fields in Feed. On the left side of the screen, you will see the content of the Excel file, and on the right side, you select the corresponding field in Feed. Start with the product number and continue mapping to other desired fields. It's not necessary to include every field. For text fields that are not universal, you will need to select the language you want to map to. If you've mapped a column to the wrong field, you can remove it and remap it. If this is an Excel file you will upload multiple times, you can save the mapping as a template so you won't have to repeat the process each time. Click the button at the top right to save the template and choose a name, or update an existing template. Then, click the button at the bottom right to analyze the file. You will then have the following options: create and update products, create new only, or update existing only. In this case, we will select the last option. Here, we have deliberately included some errors since some columns refer to data registers in Feed rather than plain text. There are 48 warnings because we need to enter the import code into the data register to provide valid values. We will go back to the Excel file and use Find and Replace to update the values to match those expected by the data register. At the top right, you can review the mapping and again save it as a template. But first, let's look at these data registers. Go to Master Data and Data Register. For example, for the field country, you can see the valid values that must be present in the Excel file. If there are many fields in the data register, you can download it and use it in a formula to link the spreadsheets or use Find and Replace. Then update the Excel file and re-import it. Now, when we run the analysis and choose to update products, the import will proceed without errors. One final tip for Excel imports is to create a search or filter for imported products so you can easily review them in Feed afterward. Here, I have created a list with the desired products and columns, which can also be downloaded as an Excel file for review. You will also notice that when using data registers in Feed, you will get two columns, code and value. This also provides a clear overview of what Feed expects from a future import file.
Feed PIM by ISIS.